Have you ever wondered how CCTV cameras automatically detect risk factors? Deep learning vision technology allows computers to learn a variety of external objects, automatically detect risk factors, and send alarms or report results to the person in charge. Deep learning vision technology, as difficult as it sounds, can easily solve tasks that are too complex and demanding for humans to handle. Is it difficult to use? Can only experts use it? No, now anyone can easily use deep learning vision through Neurocle. Manufacturing factories use it to mark defective areas on images obtained by the inspection machine. In logistics, it is used to count objects and detect serial numbers. The agriculture industry is no exception. Massive amounts of crops are easily sorted and graded. In the field of biology, cell culture of computerized cell images are automatically analyzed. Finally, in the field of research and education, researchers directly analyze results to their thesis. And students learn to create deep learning models and gain practical knowledge. How is this possible? Neuro-T and Neuro-R enable non-professionals from different industries to manage, train, evaluate, and report data with a simple click and drag. First, Neuro-T makes it simple to manage training image datasets. The client-server-based data management system gives multiple users simultaneous access to data and enables users to systematically get rid of data noise together. Neuro-T creates high-performance deep learning models based on auto deep learning algorithm, which resolves hyperparameter tuning, optimization algorithm, and data augmentation optimization in one click. Even deep learning researchers pour a vast amount of time to fine-tune deep learning models. Neurocle's auto deep learning algorithm makes it easy for non-experts to develop optimized models in a short time. Neuro-R is supported on various platforms and devices. It can be applied into embedded platform, GPU, CPU, or various devices and software applications with optimized models. This is how Neuro-T creates you the best deep learning model, and how Neuro-R offers you an optimized real-time application anywhere, any way you want. Neurocle enables you to use deep learning vision technology efficiently. We are making deep learning vision technology more accessible. Neurocle.